In 2009, the Victorian State Government simplified the rules governing the clearing of trees and undergrowth called the 10-30 rule. This rule allows people in bushfire areas to clear trees up to 10 metres from their homes and ground fuel up to 30 metres without requiring a permit. The Redroo 1260 commercial woodchipper is an ideal economic solution for those property owners who would like to take advantage of this legislation and help manage the risk of bushfire. The Redroo 1260 is shown here being used to clear a property for bushfire preparedness in the Diamond Creek area in Victoria. The Redroo 1260 features two engine options, a 35 horsepower 26 kilowatt V-twin Briggs & Stratton Vanguard series petrol engine or a 33 horsepower 24 kilowatt Kubota turbo diesel. The 1260 uses the exclusive sliding carriage to engage the cutter disc and eliminates the use of a centrifugal clutch. Live hydraulics power twin feed rollers with independent hydraulic motors. A massive 12-inch or 300mm by 6-inch 150mm feed opening allows for quick processing of branches with a diameter of 6 inches or 150mm. Standard features include digital auto feed, 360-degree swivel discharge chute and a torsion bar suspension system. The 1260 offers exceptional value in a 6-inch or 150mm capacity woodchipper and borrows some features from its larger stablemates, the 1790 and 2012. Big power, big features, small package. The Redroo Model 1260 is a perfect partner to help assist with Australian bushfire management.